Good morning everyone, and thank you for joining me today for this presentation on Intelligent Transport System or ITS. Uh, let's start with the introduction to the ITS. ITS is a rapidly growing field that is changing the way we think about transportation, and its impact can be seen in cities all around the world. In this presentation, I will be providing an overview of ITS and its key components. As we discuss some of the application ITS, its potential for environment sustainability and the challenges and future of ITS. I will also be sharing some of the studies and discussions discussing the role of ITS in the context of smart cities as well as the economic benefit and costs of ITS. Finally, I will be discussing user acceptance and adoption of ITS before concluding. Next. The components, ITS components. To understand ITS, it's important to first understand its key components. This includes sensors, communication networks, and control centers. Sensors are used to gather data on traffic flow, road conditions, and other variables that are relevant to transportation. Communication networks allows this data to transmit it to control centers, where it can be analyzed and used to make decisions about traffic management. Control centers are responsible for implementing strategies to manage traffic flow, such as adjusting traffic signals or issues alert to drivers. Together, these components work to enable its applications and improve transportation efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Uh, Next one is ITS applications. One of the key benefit of ITS its wide range of application. This include intelligent transport, traffic management system, vehicle to infrastructure communication system, and smart parking system. Intelligent traffic management system use data for sensors and communication network to monitor traffic flow and optimize traffic signals timing. Vehicle to infrastructure communication system allow vehicles to communicate with traffic management system to receive real-time information about traffic conditions and road hazards. Smart parking systems use sensors to monitor parking spaces and provide real-time information to drivers and available spots. These applications can help to reduce the congestion, improve the safety, and increase the efficiency to transportation systems. Next one is environmental sustainability and ITS. Another key benefit of ITS is its potential for promoting environment sustainability. By reducing congestion and optimizing traffic flow, ITS can help to reduce emission and improve air quality. Additionally, ITS can facilitate the use of alternative modes of transportation such as a bicycle or public transport. Example of successful environment sustainability initiated that have been implemented using ITS include the implementation of electric vehicles and the use of ITS to support the integration of a renewable energy resource in transportation system. Next one is challenges and future of ITS. Despite its many benefits, there are still challenges that exist in the field of ITS. This can include infrastructure challenges, social and behavioral challenges, and ethical and equity consideration. For example, the implementation of ITS can be expensive, and there may be concern about the privacy of the data collected by ITS system. Looking to the future, there are many emerging technologies that hold promise for the future of ITS, such as autonomous vehicle and the use of artificial intelligence to optimize transportation system. Next one is a case studies. To better understand the impact of ITS in the different parts of the world, it can helpful to examine some of case studies. One example in Singapore's electric road pricing system, which uses ITS to manage traffic flow and reduce the congestion. Another example is a London's congestion charge, which use ITS to charge drivers for entering certain part of the city during the peak hour. These case studies can provide insights into the benefit and challenges associated with ITS implementations, as well as the different approaches that can be taken to address transportation challenges. Next one is ITS is a context of smart cities. ITS is the important component of the larger concept of smart cities, which aims to use the technology to improve the sustainability, reliability, and efficiency of urban areas by integrating the ITS. Next one is economic benefit and cost. So ITS is important component of the larger concept of smart cities, which the economic benefits and costs of ITS are important to consider when evaluating the potential impact of this system. On the one hand, the implementation of ITS can be expensive, requiring significant investment in infrastructure and technologies. On the other hand, the potential benefit of ITS in terms of improved traffic flow, reducing congestion, the increased safety can translate into significant economic benefit over time. For example, ITS can help to reduce the time and money spent on commuting, which can improve productivity and stimulate economic growth. Additionally, by reducing traffic congestion, ITS can help to reduce fuel consumption and greenhouse gas emission, which can lead to cost saving in the long run. Next one is user acceptance and adoption. The success of ITS system ultimately depends on user acceptance and adoption. If users do not trust or understand the technologies, they may hesitate to use it, which can limit the effectiveness of ITS implementations. To ensure user acceptance and adoption, it's important to consider factors such as the user education, transparency in the collection of user data, and the feedback of mechanism. Additionally, involving users in the design and development of ITS system can help to ensure that these systems meet their needs and preference. So in last, the conclusion is that in conclusion, intelligent transport system offers a range of benefit for the transportation system, including improved efficiency, safety, and environment sustainability. However, there are also challenges to be addressed, such as infrastructure cost and user acceptance. To overcome these challenges, it's important to continue to invest in research development in the field of ITS and to involve stakeholders, including user and policymakers, um, in the development and implementation of ITS system. By doing so, we can create more efficient, sustainable, and equitable transportation system that improves the equality of life for people in the cities around the world. Thank you. That's all from my side.